Hey everyone, I hope you're good, and once again welcome back to my new video one. So today's video is gonna be very interesting for you, for those of you guys who really want to learn about the mindset, who really want to learn about the clarity in their mindset, because clarity in their life. So this video is for those guys, okay? So if you are ready to listen what I'm gonna talk about in this kind of a topic which I just told you right now, so please stay tuned till the end of this video. You will exactly know that what kind of a things is very really important, because I am 20 years old guy, learned so many things in my life, experienced 1.5 years, in I have done job more than 1.5 years in different kind of fields, and learning new kind of things, and you know starting I have just started learning new skills, and soon I will be trying freelancing. I will be doing also a content creation journey on different kind of platforms. So yeah, this is my plan. And yeah, so this is my little bit background, so that you can have just information what is exactly my background, okay, so that you can understand. So as a 20 years old guy, I just got to know that what kind of problems as people are facing in my age group, or in my between my age group. So I came across some difficult problems which it seems like a very silly problems, but yeah, it's very important and it's very dangerous problem, which is ruining our life, but we don't even realize that how and why it's ruining our life. So in today's video, I just want to know that how many of you know that exactly your passion. If you know that, so it's good. You are, I think, 40% ahead than the 99% people, okay? It's because you are already know that what is making you happy, what is giving you the sense of doing that work, sense of living in the world. And yeah, for those of you guys who don't even know that what is their passion, so please don't even take in their mind, okay? Means don't take it seriously, because I know it, out of 10 people, 6 to 5 people are doing job because they just want to survive, they just want to earn money, not because they just really love doing that work, okay? Because this is a harsh reality. If you go in a corporate world and ask 100 people or 10 people, so you will get to know that out of 10 people, most of people will say that I'm just doing job because I just want to earn money, and this passion, this job or this profile or this path is giving me best money, so that's why I'm just doing that job because of the money, because of the high paying job. So that's why they are really doing that job, not because they just really want to do job, because that job is giving happy or that kind of a life, okay? So this not because of that kind of a thing. So if you really want to do that, if you really want to know that exact kind of a things or reality of that job, so go in front of the big companies, big MNC companies, and ask multiple people, because I didn't do that. I didn't do this kind of thing, but yeah, I know that this is exactly happening because I ask multiple people whenever I go to to travel any kind of a things, to do some kind of a my work, personal work. So I travel with metro, I travel with bus. So I suddenly ask if I find somebody who looks, he or she works in a corporate world. So I ask, because I gain this much confident, I gain this much communication for talking to people, not just flexing, okay? So because I have just gained this much. So most of time I just got this kind of an answer. Maybe they are just doing, maybe I am doing job because I just want to do, because I love doing, or they say this job is giving me best money or good money, so that's why I'm doing job because of the money. So in order to get to know that what is real passion, they forget. They're just getting good money, and that's it. Their life is perfectly going well according to them, not according to me. If you ask to me what is how to find passion, so I've already made a video. If you go on previous videos, you will get to know that what is exactly method. Let me tell you in a shorter way, so that you can get to know that how to find passion. Very simple. Whatever kind of a things are running in your mind, whatever you want to do in your entire life, and how will you know that? Just by doing that thing. Suppose that if you have picked cricket, basketball, or graphic designing, video editing, CA, IS officer, whatever, okay, whatever, just try to, first of all, just try to watch the life, what kind of a life they live. Okay, don't watch only one video, because in one video they can pretend, they can show their best kind of a thing. Okay, at least watch 10 to 20 videos. Okay, so then after that, once you have watched that videos, now the next step becomes your finding a internship. If you not eligible for internship, do just 1 to 2 course which can make you internship ready. Okay, so once you go in internship, so you will know that, and this is not applicable for the government job. Okay, because in government job you have to clear the entrance exam. Okay, so this is not applicable, so sorry for that, I use IS officer. Yeah, so for those of you who want to try multiple kind of a side hustle, multiple kind of jobs, which available in tech, which available in non-tech also, so at least try to find internship and do 3 months in internship, and after that you will get to know that, you will 110% you will exactly know that is it for me or not, this is it, this career is it, that career is for me or not. Suppose that you have picked the video editing, so after doing internship for 3 months, you can proudly say that this is for me or this is not for me. So this is what I felt. This is not my strategy, this is owned by Ankur Warikoo, not owned by, but yeah, I heard it from Ankur Warikoo's channel, Ankur Warikoo's video. So that's why I thought that this is the best way to figure out the passion, figure out the what you really like actually while doing. Okay, so you can try that. Now let's come on to the second thing, which is also very important for you guys, because once we identified our passion, so second thing becomes also important for you guys. uh, you know for most of you guys, we are just living our life whatever we want to do in our life. Suppose that if I tell you about my vision or my goals, so I have, and if I categorize my goals in terms of cars, bikes, or house, emergency fund means finance, and travel, these all kind of a thing. So because I want to do these all things, so let's talk about the four cars. So I picked 7 to 8 cars, which includes Lamborghini, Lamborghini. Okay, not Lamborghini, this is the song. Okay, and Rolls Royce Defender, and G Wagon, Range Rover, BMW. So these car, yeah, these car involved in my collection. And for bikes, Hayabusa, and one of the five, I will forget that name also. So these bike, these kind of things I just want to, I just want in my life, and this is my dream. But everybody has this kind of a dream. Okay, everybody wants to own these kind of things, not this much, but yeah, at least they won't own their house, their car, their bikes, their tip. But out of 100 people, only 10 to 20 people can do or really achieve these things. What about 7 or 70 or 80 people? They never achieve their goal, they never close or to achieve the closest thing also. That, so that's the harsh reality in India, not only in India, on the planet also. Okay, and I don't know why it happens. I don't know what makes them, what how it makes them change, how it changed them. I don't know about that, whether it's job that is changing their mind, or whether it's society or circumstance, or the kind of environment you are hanging out. I don't know what is changing your mind. I don't know what is letting you forget about the goals, or about your dream, about the what you really want to become in your life, what you really want to own in life, what is changing your mind. So please identify that thing. If that thing is not fitting with your ultimate goal, so then that is a big problem for you. First, for shorter term, it can feel like, it can feel like you are winning, but in the longer term you are losing, because that short kind of a thing, short kind of a, that shortcut or that short win or short success will always feels motivated, or always feels happy, or always give you good kind of a emotion. But once it becomes your harsh reality means once you go back after 10 years, you realize that if I would have never done it that thing, so I would have become different kind of person, a different personality. Okay, I hope this video is reached 10 more than 10 minutes, so I think I should stop it. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep learning and keep exploring, and I hope that you like it to this video.